And then our other two connections here, well, adapters. So this one here will go from a 23mm to a 36mm. So basically that one there, this one here will go from a 23mm to a 55, and that's just clearly for the bigger hoses, the bigger attachments, the commercial vacuum cleaners. This one here will be your adapter that you would need. So this one here, this will reduce. So this here is a 32. It'll go up to the second dash in there, so it reduces. But like I said, you need to have a big hose or a commercial vacuum cleaner, but this will make you to be able to connect the 32s, and same with the 35. 1, 2, 3, same again, the reducer. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part, if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.